Rosalina Chiho from Ritual Colleges, and I'm the TBL Head Program, and I'm here to introduce Miss Rosalinda De Jesus, my student trainee, to be part of your company as OJT trainee. Here's her endorsement letter. It contains her background and specialization.
Okay, let me check first. So, Ms. Rosalinda, right? So, I will check your